get ready for an awe-inspiring celebration of culture and movement as we dive into a world where tradition meets sheer magnificence. In the heart of Surakarta, an extraordinary event unfolded, organized by the government of Surakarta. An astonishing 3,085 dancers coming together to perform the enchanting Gambyongdance. The Gambyongdance, with its rich history dating back to the reign of Sunan Paku Buwono IV in Surakarta, took center stage. It wasn't just a dance, it was a cultural treasure and a vibrant expression of the city's heritage. The grand stage for this mesmerizing performance was the iconic Slamet Riyadi in Surakarta. All thanks to the government of Surakarta, this spectacular event now holds a special place in the Asia Book of Records. It's not just a dance, it is a culture brought to life through the graceful moves of thousands. Stay tuned for more incredible records right here on the Asia Book of Records YouTube channel.